Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Rana. I am really happy to that you are here today. This is my very first long video and I want to tell you a little bit about myself and what you will learn from this channel. My name is Jony. I am from Kishorganj. I love learning new things, especially English, technology, and life skill. And now I want to share what I learn with you. In this channel, you will find easy English lesson, daily English speaking practice, and short motivation talk. My goal is to help you speak English confidently and naturally. I believe English is not just a language, it is a skill that opens new doors in life. Maybe you think your English is not good. Maybe you feel shy to speak. And don't worry, together we will learn step by step. Every expert was once a beginner. So don't stop learning. Don't be afraid of mistake. Mistake help us grow. If you watch my video regularly, sometime I will also share tips about self-improvement. If you want to improve your English, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Leave a comment and tell me what kind of English video do you want. Thank you so much.